In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a Microsoft Forms survey using the Chrome web browser. This process is incredibly useful if you need to reuse a survey without starting from scratch, whether you're a teacher, manager, or organizer looking to streamline your workflow. By following these steps, you can have a copy of your survey ready to customize and distribute in no time. Let's get started by logging into your Microsoft account. To do this, open your browser and go to the Microsoft Forms website. Once there, you'll need to enter your email address and password to access your account. Now that you're in, navigate to the Microsoft Forms homepage where you'll see your survey collection labeled as My Forms. Here, you've likely compiled a list of surveys ranging from quizzes to feedback forms. Now take a moment to find the specific survey you want to duplicate. Don't worry if you have a lot of surveys. You can use the search bar at the top to filter through them quickly. Once you've located it, you'll notice that each survey is represented by a card in a grid or list view. These cards contain the survey's title and a brief overview. Direct your attention to the survey card you're interested in. On this card, you'll see a small menu icon that looks like 3 dots, often referred to as a More Options menu. Click on this menu to reveal a list of actions you can take. Among these actions is the option to copy, or sometimes it's labeled duplicate. By selecting this option, you are instructing Microsoft Forms to create an exact replica of your chosen survey. Don't worry about accidentally overwriting anything. This step only creates a new copy. You'll now see the duplicate survey appear immediately in your list. It's marked clearly as a copy, often with the word copy appended to the original title for easy identification. From this point, you have the freedom to personalize the duplicated survey to suit your new project. To do so, go ahead and click on the Copy Survey. This opens up a familiar editing interface where you can modify questions, adjust the settings, or even change the survey's title if desired. One important thing to remember is that while the duplicated survey retains all the original structure, it does not copy over any responses. This means it's perfectly safe to use for new respondents without worrying about previous data influencing your results. This little feature makes the duplication process especially handy because it ensures clean data collection every time you reuse a survey for a different audience. And there you have it. You've successfully duplicated your Microsoft Forms survey, allowing you to efficiently prepare and distribute it without starting from zero. So whenever you find yourself needing a carbon copy of an existing survey for a new round of participants, you now know exactly how to make it happen smoothly and efficiently.